It is time to resume the Sweden beach adventures. It is a 17th of November 2025, currently 1 p.m. and the sun is up. But let the sun not fool you, it is only 1 degree Celsius in the air. So quite chilly, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm at Smedsuddsbadet and I am ready to go in for a dip in the Lake Mälaren. Quick dip it will be. And here we have also the sunset coming up as well, and the beach is obviously also very empty, just people passing by and nobody is in the water. Now this is Lake Mälaren, so I think it's gonna be quite decent temperature in the water as it is a huge lake. And this is actually where I was living during my first year in Sweden 11 years ago, in that big white building over there. Two older people now are looking at me like I'm crazy because everyone is having winter jackets, including me. But yes, I'm again in Kungsholmen after a long time. And today I have walked all the way from my home to Kungsholmen as I was meeting with for lunch with a dear friend of mine. It was only 8.5 kilometers and it took around 1 hour and 20 minutes. They have also docked one boat over here that's named Snoken, which means the snake. I think it means the snake, I'm not sure. And I don't think they are allowed to dock a boat here, but yeah, I don't know. It's going to be cold for sure, and I didn't took a big swim in the last 3 days in the open waters because it was quite cold and windy. But today I was like, no, it's time to resume, and beach the number 154 it is today. This is in Kungsholmen. If you walk around Kungsholmen or run, it is 10 kilometers exactly that you will walk. And this is quite crowded during the summer months, and actually during the high season of summer it was also suggested not to take a swim over here because of some bacteria that they found. Now when I see, the water looks clean, so it's going to be a nice dip in the lake of Mälaren today in central Stockholm. From here to the central station it's only 2.5 kilometers, so I'm quite central today. And this is considered inner stan, or within the central part of Stockholm. On the other side we can see Långholmen, which is another island, and we can see there the bridge that connects Kungsholmen with Stora Essingen and another island of Lilla Essingen in between. Alright, then let's go and take a dip and measure the temperature also as well. I'm curious. On my last measured temperature it was 8 degrees Celsius, so let's see if here it is colder or warmer than that. Here we don't have the usual ladder that we have, it's a bit more like this, and here it is actually not so deep at all, so I will need to go in fast in order not to feel any cold. I think it's gonna be 10 degrees over here, and we're gonna find out swiftly in a bit. And I'm also going to walk back home, but I'm going to walk from the central Stockholm as well, from the most central part of Stockholm. Okay, the moment of truth. We have 9 degrees Celsius. 9 degrees Celsius in the water. So let's not wait any longer and just go with the flow. As this is Beach Adventures with Kris, and I am swimming even in temperatures like this. 1 degree in the air, feels a lot colder, the snow is coming for sure. So ready, set and go! Quite nice indeed. quite nice and refreshing. And luckily I have a towel too and clothes to get back out. But yeah, that is a wrap from Smedsuddsbadet on a cold November day like this one. And at my old neighborhood where I was living during my first year in Stockholm. So I feel emotionally attached. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!